So, good evening, friends. My name is Hyansh Kohli, and today I would be your presenter. Today, we are going to learn more about compassion. What is compassion? What is compassion? What is the experience, feeling, opportunity, people, training, tradition, value word, which is suffering? We should know all of these. These are the main fundamentals of compassion. Now let us explore with me, Hyansh Kohli. And I promise you that I won't keep you bored. And I promise that after this video, it will change your thinking and your mind. So let us continue. What is compassion? Compassion involves feeling another person's pain and wanting to take steps to help relieve the suffering. The word compassion itself derives from Latin and means to suffer together. Now, my friends, over here, as you can see, there are so many people, and they are now over here. This boy is suffering from pain, and these all people are supporting him. We will support. This basically doesn't mean only support, it means understanding the feelings. We should always, now let's take an example. You are somewhere and you notice that somebody is abusing someone, or somebody is trying to bully somebody. We should always understand that, and know that it will lead, and know that if we were at that situation, it could have led us to in bad consequences. So we should always support that person who is suffering and understand that how is he suffering. That's what in Latin it means. Compassion means to suffer together. Now if somebody is bullying, we should support that person who is getting bullied and tell that person to stop it and support him. The person will also get, oh, okay, somebody supporting him, I should stay quiet. And this happen, and then the person would not bully that person again. This is the power of suffering together. It does not basically mean that all of us are going to suffer, but it is a better way to have to stop somebody who's being suffered from a bad who's getting suffered from a bad time, and make him feel happy and feel that he is not alone. Components of compassion: recognizing suffering. You should imagine yourself in that situation. Now, my friends, you should not think they, him, or she, or he. We should always think us, me. We should always assume that we were at that situation. What could have happened to us if somebody was doing that? So we should immediately, now another must respond. You must respond to a situation appropriately. Now, my friends, over here, what you are learning is that you must respond to a situation appropriately at that time. You must think what is right and what is wrong, and you should always act quickly so that that person feels, okay, I'm not alone, somebody is with me, and now I can fight with the person who is bullying me or anything that the person is suffering from. Now, my friends, as I told earlier, it's not only bullying. Sometimes you're having a bad day at work, and you're not able to, and you're not actually able to keep yourself calm, and you're sad inside. Now, what you must do? Now, the person, you should always support that person who's suffering in that pain. Sometimes a family member from his family dies. What you should do? You should support him and tell go ahead, and tell him and support him at the bad times. How to develop compassion? We should educate ourselves. We must educate ourselves about compassion by studying on religion and reading spiritual books. Now, my friends, many people in our world are made fun because of their race or culture or their religion or the spiritual mentality or their political beliefs. Now, my friend, we should always support a person and say everybody has a right to live. Every culture is unique and we should understand it, because even your culture is unique and you know how much your culture means to you, and that you must understand how that person's culture means to him and not bully him on that basis. Develop empathy. We must develop empathy by watching movies or web contents, reading poetry and newspaper. We should get the knowledge about empathy and develop it by seeing more and more examples of it. We must not ignore. We must not ignore if something bad happening with needy person in front of us. Because my friends, as I told you in the starting, we should always imagine me in that situation, not other, and then react what would have done if you are in that same situation. So we should never ignore. We must take action. We must help old person who needs help. We must intervene if someone trying to bully a needy person. Now, my friends, over here we must take an action quickly, and we should always stop that person, whatever he's doing to the person who's suffering. Examples of compassion. Whenever you see an old man carrying weight, you should take the load. If there is an old or blind person who wants to cross a road, we should help them. If you see a person needs to walk a very large distance, you should give them a lift. If you find a person injured on the road, you can call the ambulance and give him some water. Now, my friends, already I had given you many examples in the starting. These are some more examples of compassion for people. Thank you, and remember, developing compassion doesn't only mean helping others. It means creating a better, stronger community between you and that person. So, my friends, I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and please share it. And subscribe to see more informative videos like this. See you. Bye.